What is the value of drift velocity when there is a change in a diameter and the current passing through the uniform wire which is made by the same material? So here we need an expression which is relating current and diameter and drift velocity, which is nothing but I is equal N times A times Vd times E. Again, area can be written as N times pi d square divided by 4 times Vd times E. So it's known that the current I is directly proportional to d square and Vd because all other terms remains constant. So here we have two diameter value and two current value. So it's given in the question, the current is 100 milliampere when the diameter is d and the drift velocity is. And the question here is what will happen to the value of velocity. So here I'm mentioning velocity nu when the diameter becomes half. So I'm writing d over 2 whole power 2 and the current is 200 milliampere. So let us find the ratios of this. So we can write 100 milliampere divided by 200 milliampere will be equal to d square V divided by d square divided by 4 times Vn. So when we are cancelling these similar terms, we will get 1 over 2 is equal V divided by V dash divided by 4. So here we are going to calculate only the change in velocity. So here we can write the Vn or V dash is equal 4V times 2. So it will be equal to 8V. So the change in a velocity will be equal to 8 terms of the original velocity. So the correct answer for this question is option B here.